I've got some really cool software for you. As a matter of fact, it's called Coolmerge. It's totally free software. You can download it by joining our newsletter below, and you'll get $597 worth of free software. This is included in that. And what this does, it combines CSV files and dedupes them. Say, for example, that you have a list of names and emails, the leads that you want to upload to your email autoresponder, some leads that you have, and you've got several different files, but you don't want to upload duplicate emails. So what it'll do is it'll take the files, merge them together, clean them up so that you don't have any duplicates, and give you one nice clean file. And I'll show you exactly how it works. Coolmerge. Here we go. What I do is I come here and I click select CSV files. And you see in my example here, I have all these leads. So I'm going to open this up so you kind of see what it looks like here. And whatever, Excel, I like Open Office. Okay, so here we go. I got the leads. It says name and email. I've got a header here with name and email. You don't have to. You can, you can't. You can also have many other fields as you want. It'll still sort by name and email and keep everything intact. So now you've seen that, and that's what all the files are like. So we've got 3 of these. Actually, when I needed it, I had like 8 of them, but whatever. Here we go. I've got them all. I'm going to upload them here. Now they're uploaded. Now I'm going to click here. Files have a header row, because they do. And they want to know what the email field is. Well, it's called email. Honestly, I'm not even sure if it's case sensitive, but whatever. I'll put that there. Include the header row in output. Why not? We had the name and email there. And you could have name, email, address, all kinds of fields, and it'll still work. Trim spaces. Want to keep it nice and neat. Deduplicate by email. That's the whole goal of this. We want a nice deduped, clean list. And definitely we're sorting by email here. I don't care if it about a custom header. I'm fine with the one we have. And then all I do is click merge and save. It pops open a window. Now I need to create a file where I save my clean list. So I'm going to call it clean list. Okay, right here. There we go. It's going to save a CSV file. Here we go. It had there were 895 rows read. That's how many leads we had. And it whittled it down to 782 clean leads, all in a file called cleanlist.csv. We can go take a look at this. Come down here, right? Here's the clean list. Let's open it up. Real quick. We got the leads. Here we go. We got the nice clean list right here. So that's basically it. That is Coolmerge. It's totally free software. Go ahead and join our newsletter below to download this for free. It's not a free trial or anything like this. I was actually going to spend some money on a software that did this, and I figured out how to make it using ChatGPT. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I made this software, what prompt I used. So I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you're going to get that information as well in the next video. So go ahead, click the link below, join our newsletter if you would like to get this free software as well as a bunch of other software. And go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well so you get these updates and free software. Thanks so much. This is Matt May with Coolmarketingsoftware.com.